We're at the St. Jacob's Country Playhouse where we just finished feeding 190 people.
This is an event for Women Abuse Awareness Month. We're also celebrating 40 years in service. We've helped tens of thousands of women and children move beyond violence. We want to celebrate strength and resilience and just have a really great time tonight.
Women's Crisis Services does so much to help women in need in our community, and for 40 years it's a great celebration. It's unfortunate that we need Women's Crisis Services, but so proud of the volunteer board and all the people who work at Women's Crisis Services to make things happen in our community.
ChefD has a long time relationship with us at Women's Crisis. Him and his wife, Trish, have been big supporters, and we've worked with them in a number of different ways, so we were so happy. He was definitely the person we wanted for the job for so many reasons, so we're really grateful to have him out tonight.
We've supported them for the last 4 years now. We picked some charities that, again, that were near and dear to us and that needed some funds that weren't always getting it.
We serve like really good quality healthy foods. That's good. Everything's homemade, so we serve it with pride. It feels good.
It's being part of that community, and it's providing an event like this with the support that it needs. Having the food, having ChefD here, of course, brings people out to it.
You know, whenever I come out to an event and I see that the food's coming out in droves, I know ChefD's behind it, because there are always innovative ideas around the food. But I can tell you, ChefD, I love the bacon.
As I mentioned earlier, it's 195 people, it's 1 hour. And again, a lot of vegans that we weren't aware that were coming. So we, again, upstairs kind of stopped, moved the boat over and got it out and got them very excited, and just had some compliments just a minute ago about that. Understand that when you're talking about food with ChefD, is you're actually talking about the food, that it's not just here it is, like it's cheese or a peach chutney. No, it's grilled halloumi. It's going into details that everybody that came in knows that.
We really want to raise awareness, get people out, have a good time together, get that sense of community and that sense that we're really working together and we all have a responsibility towards ending domestic violence.
Thanks so much for watching. It's the Studio Kitchen by ChefD. Hey, like us, share us, follow us, and of course subscribe to us. Till next time.